and welcome back to USA English Podcast. Hi, everyone. We're so glad you're here with us today. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. We're here to help you improve your English. If you enjoy our videos, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really supports us.
Yes, please do that. Today, we have a lovely topic.
That's right. We're going to talk about how to express your happy moments in English. We'll learn to share good news and joyful stories.
I absolutely love joyful stories. So, Marco, how are you feeling today?
I'm fantastic. The weather is beautiful and I'm in a great mood.
Same here. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
I did. I spent time with my relatives. We had a little get-together for dinner. It was really nice.
That sounds wonderful. My weekend was also enjoyable. I saw a really hilarious movie on Sunday.
Really? Which movie was it?
It was an animated film about a tiny robot. It made me laugh out loud several times.
I'd like to see that too. It sounds entertaining.
You definitely should. It will lift your spirits.
So, Erica, what's one happy moment from this week for you?
A happy moment. Let me think.
Take your time.
Oh, I remember. Yesterday, an old friend sent me a voice message. We ended up chatting for almost an hour.
That's a long conversation. Was it someone close to you?
Yes, a friend from college. His name is Leo. He now lives in a different country.
How lovely. What did you talk about?
We talked about our jobs, some series we're watching, and also about past memories.
Past memories? What do you mean by that?
Past memories are things we experienced before. For example, we remembered studying together in the library until late at night.
That sounds like a precious memory. How did you feel after the call?
I felt really warm inside. I was smiling for a long time afterward.
That's beautiful. For me, connecting with good friends is always a source of happiness too. And you, Marco? Did you have a happy moment today?
Yes, actually. This morning, I made the most delicious cup of tea.
A perfect cup of tea? That's a happy moment indeed.
For me, absolutely. It was just right. The tea was strong and hot, and I added a little honey. The aroma was wonderful, and the taste was perfect.
That sounds delightful. Small things like that can really start the day well.
Exactly. It made me smile. It turned my morning around.
So we can say, it made me happy, or it made me smile, or I felt happy when, right?
Perfect. You've got it. There's also another nice word for a positive feeling. Proud.
Yes. Proud means you feel good about something you achieved or did.
For example, I was proud of finishing a difficult book. Or, I was proud that I fixed my bike by myself.
Me too. Now, tell us about a bigger happy moment of yours, Marco.
Okay, a really big happy moment was when I visited Paris.
Oh, the City of Lights. When did that happen?
About 3 years ago. It was my first time in France, and I was incredibly excited.
What did you see there?
I saw the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame. I also walked along the Seine River.
The famous Eiffel Tower. Was it like the photos?
It was even more impressive. It sparkled at night with golden lights. I couldn't stop taking pictures.
How many photos did you take?
Probably over 100, from every angle. Close, far, day, night.
I understand. It was a special dream for you.
Yes, it was a dream come true.
I love that phrase. Let's highlight it for our viewers. A dream come true.
So, we've talked about small and big happy moments. What else brings people happiness?
Food, definitely. I feel really happy when I eat a good pasta dish.
You're always happy when you eat, Erica.
That's true. A delicious meal can be a joyful moment. For example, this pasta is amazing. It makes me so happy.
What kind of pasta do you like best?
I love spaghetti with fresh tomato sauce and basil. The sauce must be rich and flavorful.
Sounds delicious. For me, a happy food is dark chocolate.
Oh, yes. Chocolate is a happiness booster. One small square can turn a bad day around.
Definitely. What about music? Listening to a favorite song can also be a happy moment.
Absolutely. When my favorite tune comes on the radio, I sing along at the top of my voice.
That's a happy moment for you, though maybe not for your neighbors.
I hope they don't mind. What's your favorite song?
It's an old one. What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. It always makes me feel peaceful and joyful.
I love that song too. It's so positive. You can say, I love this track. It makes me feel fantastic.
Another happy moment is learning something new, like finally understanding a tricky English expression.
Yes, that feeling is amazing. You feel smart and proud. For instance, last week you learned the word aroma.
That's right. And now I feel proud of myself. So that's a happy moment right now.
You're welcome. So viewers, when you understand today's lesson, that's also a happy moment for you, and we're happy for you.
Now, let's talk about sharing happy moments with others. When a friend has good news, we can say, I'm so happy for you, or that's fantastic, or congratulations.
Yes, sharing joy multiplies it. If my friend is happy, I become happier too.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Last month, my brother told me, Erica, I got promoted. I was overjoyed for him. I said, congratulations, that's incredible news.
What did he say?
He said, thanks, let's go out for dinner to celebrate.
That's a great idea. To celebrate means to do something special for a happy event.
Exactly. We went to a nice restaurant, ate great food, talked, and laughed. It was wonderful.
So we can celebrate big moments and also small ones.
Yes, we can celebrate a promotion or a perfect cup of tea. Every happy moment matters.
So, Erica, what is one thing that always makes you happy, without fail?
Easy. My dog, Max. When I come home, he runs to the door, wagging his tail. That always makes me smile.
What kind of dog is Max?
He's a small brown rescue dog. He loves sleeping on my sofa and playing with his toy ball.
Animals are wonderful. For me, something that always brings happiness is the mountains.
Why the mountains?
The fresh air, the quiet, the green forests. It makes me feel calm and joyful. The view from the top is breathtaking.
That sounds beautiful. So we all have different things that make us happy. Your mountains, my dog, your tea, my pasta.
And it's good to remember these happy things when we feel down.
Very true. When I have a rough day, I think about my happy moments.
What do you think about?
I think about laughing with my friends or walking Max in the park. It always helps me feel better.
Yes, it really does. So viewers, if you ever feel sad, recall one happy moment. It can truly lift your mood.
Now let's practice some sentences. Repeat after us, please.
I felt very happy when...
It was a wonderful moment.
That makes me smile.
I'm so happy for you.
It was a dream come true.
I was so proud.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's play a little game.
A game? What kind?
A happy game. I'll say a word, and you say the first happy memory that comes to mind.
Okay, sounds fun. Ready.
The word is sunset.
Sunset. I remember watching the sunset at the beach with my family. The sky turned orange and pink. We sat on the sand and just enjoyed the moment. It was simple, but beautiful.
Nice. My turn. The word is rain.
Rain? That can be a happy moment.
Yes. When I was a child, I loved putting on my raincoat and jumping in puddles. My mom would say, "Erica, you're soaking wet," but I was so happy.
Jumping in puddles. That's a wonderful memory.
Your turn, Marco. Give me a word.
Okay. The word is home.
Home. Coming back after a long trip. My bed, my things, my dog Max. It feels safe and happy. There's no place like home.
I agree completely.
Now you say a word for me.
The word is laughter.
Laughter. I remember laughing so hard with my cousin that my stomach hurt. We were telling silly jokes. That was a pure happy moment.
That's a beautiful memory. This game is nice.
Yes, so viewers, you can play this game with a friend. Say one word and then share a happy memory. It's good for your English and good for your heart. Well said, Erica. Sometimes I have good ideas. Only sometimes? I'm joking. You have many good ideas.
That's better. We haven't talked about achievements at work or school.
That's true. For example, finishing a big project is a very happy moment.
Yes. When I completed my first major presentation at work, I felt so relieved and proud.
Relieved? That means you feel happy because something difficult is finally over. You're no longer worried.
Exactly. So after a tough exam, students feel relieved and then happy.
Another happy moment is when you help someone.
Oh, that's a special kind of happiness. Last week, I helped an elderly man carry his groceries. He smiled and said, "Thank you, young man." I felt good for the rest of the day.
That's a happy moment for both of you. Making others happy makes us happy too.
It's a circle of happiness.
I love that phrase. So we have many ways to talk about happy moments. Small things, big things, things we do, things we see, things we remember.
And the most important thing is to share them, to talk about them, to say, "I am happy because."
So please share your happy moments with us in the comments. We'd love to hear them.
Now, let's repeat our key phrases one more time. Repeat after us.
I felt happy when...
It made me smile.
I was so proud.
It was a dream come true.
I'm so happy for you.
Congratulations.
Perfect. You're all doing wonderfully.
Now, let's go over some important vocabulary for happy moments.
First word, proud. P-R-O-U-D. It means you feel very good about something you did or something someone close to you did.
Can you give an example, Erica?
Of course. I was proud when I learned to cook my first meal by myself. It was difficult, but I did it.
Great example. Another example, my teacher was proud of me when I improved my English.
Yes, or you can say, I am proud of my sister for her new job. You can feel proud of others too.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am proud.
How do people celebrate? They have a party, go to a restaurant, or simply call a friend to share the news.
For example, I will celebrate my English progress by watching a movie without subtitles.
That's a wonderful way to celebrate.
Last word, smile. S-M-I-L-E. Both a noun and a verb. A smile is the happy expression on your face.
When you are happy, you smile. Can you show us a smile, Marco?
Like this. See? It's simple. And it makes you feel good. And when you smile at someone, it can make them happy too.
A smile can brighten someone's whole day. So a happy moment makes you smile.
Let's all smile right now.
Well, Marco, we've talked about happy moments for a long time today. I feel even happier now.
Me too. Remembering good things is like a vitamin for the heart.
I love that. It's true. So let's summarize what we practiced today.
We learned how to talk about happy moments in English. We started with small happy moments, like your perfect cup of tea.
For small moments, we can say, it made me smile, or it was a small happy moment.
Then we talked about big happy moments, like my trip to Paris. For big moments, we can say, it was a dream come true, or it was an amazing experience.
We also learned how to react when someone shares good news. We can say, I'm so happy for you. That's wonderful news. Or, congratulations.
Let's say these together one more time. Ready? Congratulations.
Perfect. You sound great. Now, a quick quiz. What is the word for feeling good about something you did?
Proud. You feel proud.
Correct. And what do you call something difficult that you successfully finished?
An achievement. Learning English is a big achievement.
And what phrase do we use when a huge wish becomes real?
A dream come true.
What verb means to do something special for a happy event?
Celebrate. We celebrate birthdays and successes.
And the last one, the happy expression on your face?
A smile. Everyone, show us your smile.
I can see lots of smiles. That makes me happy.
So remember, the most important thing is practice. Use these words and phrases. Don't just listen. Try to speak and write.
And now, our favorite part. Today's question is, what was a happy moment for you this week?
Yes, please tell us one happy moment from your week. It can be big or small. Maybe you enjoyed a tasty meal, or you talked to a friend, or you learned a new English word.